Today, I'm sharing my top organization items to make your life easier. When I saw this charcuterie container, I knew that I had to have it. I thought it would be perfect to take to the pool, maybe even take on the boat. You can fill it up with all of your favorite items, and it's great to just open up. Everyone can snack from it, and you could really personalize it, put whatever you need, and it's so much bigger than the tackle boxes we were using last year. I just think this is such a clever idea. Now, where can you find all these products that I'm sharing in today's video? I'm gonna have them linked in the description box. So if you click the arrow, a menu will drop down with all of the products. I'm also going to have them linked in the first comment of today's video. So hopefully you can find all the products that I'm showing you today. And of course, my outfit is from Amazon as well. This skirt is perfect for any nice event that you're going to this spring or summer. And then this white tank bodysuit is always a must. And my shoes, these are actually from Target. I have found the perfect ice cube tray for your Stanley cup. So it comes in this container, and inside there's a silicone mold. All you're going to do is fill up each of those molds. There's a 1, 2, and 3. Put it in the freezer the night before you're going to use your cup. The next day, you're going to pop the ice cubes out of each of the silicone molds. You want to start with 1, that one goes in first in your cup, then you add in 2 and 3. Fill it up with water, and this is going to keep your drink cool all day. I found the best hooks for your hats or any large item. Now they come with screws, so you can screw it into your wall or cabinet, or you can use some command strips to put this on. I put this on the side of my hutch to store all of my hats. I just saw the ultimate parent hack and had to pick up this item. This is an acrylic lockbox that you can put in your refrigerator to keep all of your snacks away from your kid. Put your candy, anything fun in there. I also think this is a way you could keep your snacks away from your husband. What do you guys think of this? So I realized that I had medicine in 3 different areas of my house, so I wanted to put them all in one area. So I went through, got rid of anything I didn't need anymore. Most of the medicine was expired, and then I put it all in one cabinet. I found these clear containers on Amazon. I thought they looked really nice, plus I could see the medicine and vitamins inside. And to make it even easier, I picked up these bathroom labels. They come with a ton of different labels. I just used them on my medicine, but I feel like I could use them anywhere in my bathroom, and my medicine looks so much more organized, and it's all in one place. We go to a lot of all-day sporting events, and we have to pack a lunch and a lot of snacks. These are the containers I use to pack lunch for the whole entire family. They're called Easy Lunchbox, and you can create your own Lunchables and customize them for your family, put exactly what they're gonna like inside. I want to show you how I carry all this around. So I bought this backpack cooler that doubles as my purse. So in the front here, I'll put my phone, my keys, hand sanitizer, all the things I need. And on the inside, it's insulated. I also picked up these slender ice packs off of Amazon. So I'll put those in there, and all of these easy lunch boxes just stack into my bag. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is organization. Do you guys remember the hack where I showed you how to wrap rubber bands around your candles that move around whenever you put them in your candle holders? Well, I found a product on Amazon. This is called Candle Grips, and I thought this was very unique. I wanted to try it out. Essentially, you put it around the base of your candle, and then you stick it into the candle holder, and it's supposed to make it not move around. That worked so good. Like, this candle is not moving around. I mean, in a pinch, definitely the rubber bands move a little bit. So if you're wanting something that's gonna hold your candles in place, this is a great hack. If you wear a lot of claw clips, I found the perfect organizer for you. This is a clear acrylic organizer. You can clip all of your claw clips to this organizer. You can just spin it around and grab the one you like. Here's an Amazon item you probably didn't know existed. These are disposable labels, so they're perfect for putting on any of your perishable items in your fridge or your pantry. Just stick it onto your container, write what date it's going to go bad, then whenever it's time to clean up your containers, it will rinse right off. If you're looking for the perfect plate that has a little dip container, I love these. They come in a pack of 10 and they're not just for your kids. I love using these for an afternoon snack of carrots and ranch. I also use them for my kids for chicken nuggets and their sauce. Have you tried this viral candle warmer? So I recently picked one up and it's pretty cool. So it has an LED light in the top. You can put any candle, I'm talking any candle you have at your house, in the base, and then you turn it on. And what happens is that LED light will warm up the wax in your candle. So you can smell it throughout your house, and it makes your candle last so much longer because all it does is heat up the wax, but the wick is not burning down. How gorgeous is this green organizer, especially in the bathroom? Now, if you don't like the green, it comes in multiple colors, but I love a Lazy Susan organizer like this. You can put all of your skincare or bath products on there and spin it around to get the item you need. I posted this awesome car trash can because it's on such a great deal on my Instagram, Liz Fenwick Deals. I actually have a new Instagram account, and if you love knowing what's on sale on Amazon, you're gonna wanna follow me over there. I'll put the link in the description box. Now, if you don't have Instagram, I also have a Facebook group called Liz Fenwick Deals, so you can join that Facebook group to see all of the best Amazon deals. This car trash can has been one of my favorites. It's really affordable. It has a strap where you can put it around your console. I think you can put it around other places, like maybe on the back of your seat, but I put mine around my console and then just put in leftover sacks that you have, and then you can throw everything in there and replace it really easily. I love this. It's gonna be perfect for long road trips. Do you ever lose anything in the back of your fridge and want to be able to get to it a little bit easier? I found this Lazy Susan on Amazon. It's clear acrylic. It sticks with suction cups to one of the shelves in your fridge, and then you can put all your items on there and turn it either way. You can turn it to the left or the right, and it's the perfect way to get to those items that are in the back. Have you tried this USB charging adapter cable kit? It is a great way to charge all of your devices. I get so frustrated when I do not have the right charger with me. This device has all of your chargers in one. My daughter, for her birthday, just got this makeup vanity desk, and I wanted to show it to you guys because it's really cool and pretty affordable. It has the light up mirror on it, which all the girls love, and then it also has these pullouts on either side, so you can store items on either side. There's also a plug-in on the side, so you can plug in things like your curling iron or flat iron, and it comes with a stool. I feel like there's never enough space in my refrigerator, and if you're somebody who loves Greek yogurt, you may need this next organizer. You can stick it onto the side of your fridge. It comes with the adhesive, and then you just slide in your Greek yogurt. It's gonna be up on the side of your fridge and out of the way. In my linen closet, I love to use wicker bins. They're very sturdy. They can hold a lot, like towels and sheets. I also will put toiletries in there, and I just love the way they look. Now, if you're wanting to label these baskets, I found these really adorable labels. They're super easy to use. All you have to do is clip them onto the front of your baskets, and you can write directly on them what's inside. Talk about a sleek trash can. I bought this automatic trash can because my little dog Moose kept going into the bathroom. This looks so great. It's white and it's fluted. It has a gold trim around it. But the best part is that when you put your hand on top, it automatically opens up the trash can and then it'll put it back down. I love having this. It would be perfect in any bathroom. This next item is such a cool gadget. If you eat a lot of pickles or olives in your house, you can put this silicone ring around your pickle jars, and it has this little fork that you can use to pull your pickles out, so you always have that fork ready to go. This next set of jars are so cute. You're definitely gonna wanna have them sitting out. Now, you could use these in your kitchen. I used them in a guest bathroom to put essentials that my guests might need, like toothpaste, toothbrushes. I think I also put some floss picks and Q-tips. I love to buy sets off of Amazon, maybe like a top and some shorts, or I have like pants or even pajama sets, and it's hard to keep those two items together. I found these connector hooks that you can actually put over one of your hangers and then place another hanger into that connector hook. It's gonna help keep your sets together so you're not constantly looking for them. If you have a couch or chair that's not directly next to a side table or a coffee table, this is an awesome organization gadget that you can put over any armrest. You could put your cup in there. It's perfect for your phone or remotes. If you're wanting to stay organized in your bathroom, I like this next container. It's super cute. It's white and fluted. I think it's great for your makeup brushes, but you could really add in anything you have. Let me know down in the comments which of these organization products you're gonna be picking up. I love knowing the products you guys love, and make sure you subscribe because I wanna see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.